Hey guys, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to do a cool pink look today. So I have my ColourPop Element of Surprise, and I'm going to go ahead and use this as a kind of transition color. And I'm just going to sort of swipe it in gently all over my lid, but kind of keeping to that crease area, just because I want to be able to kind of smoke it out a little bit. I'm so sorry guys, I don't remember the actual names of these, but these are just the ColourPop singles and those Super Shock shadows, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll just link them down below in the description box for you, because I suck and I don't remember them, but I'm going to use this in just more, sort of my lid shade. It's not anything drastic, it just kind of added a little bit of a nice cute base color for what I'm going to use after this, but I'm just going to blend it out and just sort of make it as seamless as I can. And then I'm going to go into that bright pink color in the palette, and I think it's so beautiful. It's so intense and vivid, and it's such a cool color. It's, oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. These are some of my singles that I purchased when I made my own palette. I don't know the name of it either. I'm so terrible, but it's another pinkish kind of gold color, and it's gorgeous, and I'm going to put it just sort of in the center of my lid. This is a liquid liner that I can get from the drugstore. It is like a $3 pen. It is so good, and you're just going to watch me for an eternity try to do this eyeliner, because I never do eyeliner, ever. And I'm not very good at it, but I didn't actually screw any of this up, so please just enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and make a really cool V sort of shape here, just to sort of emphasize where my crease is, and then I went ahead and I filled it in, as you can see, into sort of like a wave. It kind of looks like an incoming wave. That was sort of the jam that I was going for this. And I just took my time, just nicely making sure that my lines were straight and that it was pretty seamless and everything. So that's just what I'm obviously spending an eternity trying to show you. So you're welcome. I'm going to my ColourPop Golden State of Mind. This is a shimmer palette, and I'm going to take this really bright one. It's like it kind of looks like it has some like white iridescence to it, but it actually is a bit duochromed, so it has some nice pink aspects to it, and it blended really nicely in with the rest of the color. And I'm also going to use it for my brow bone color too, and just pops of highlight. I love it. It's so pretty. Using a black eyeliner and just filling it in, just a little bit more drastic of a look, and then I moved on to my second eye, which I didn't fully film. I just kind of wanted to show you that, like, look here, I did it. Look how good I am and stuff. Congratulations to me. Curl my lashes really quickly, and then I'm going to use my Lancome Monsieur Big. This is my favorite mascara, and that's it for the eyes. I did forget to mention a bit that I went into the corners and I made them look really pointy there, and I just sort of felt like it elongated my eye a little bit more too, which was nice. I really like it. It's kind of cool and dramatic. That is the Lancome Matte Shakers. They're my favorite lipsticks of all time, and it's a really cute kind of subtle pink as well, and that's what I did for my lips. They do mattify, but like not really. They kind of just stay nice and wearable and beautiful, and that's it for this look. That's what I did. Obviously I already did my base kind of cute and subtle and freckly and just healthy looking skin, so it just, I love it. I love this look so much. I was so happy with how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos sort of like this style, just sort of quick ones, as opposed to always doing the chatty ones, because everybody knows that when I post my chatty videos, they're usually like 20 minutes to half an hour long, and that's just excessive. So I really hope that you like this look, and let me know in the comments down below if you did, and if you'd like to see more looks like this, because I do have a couple of other ones that I am just editing and whatnot for you guys, so I really hope that you like it. Something a little bit different, something fun, so I really appreciate it. So this is my finished look. I'm really into it. I don't really use eyeliner, especially like an eyeliner pen, too often, so when I do I get really nervous, so I'm actually glad that I didn't really screw this up too much. I mean, I don't know if it's perfectly even. I would say it's about as good as I'm ever gonna make it, but nonetheless, fun kind of pink look. Eyeliner this intense is super fun as well. I really like it. I think it makes my eyes look really blue, but maybe that's just me, I don't know. This Essence pen is amazing, like a $3 eyeliner pen, so great. I really, really like it. So just for your reference and stuff, it made it really easy for somebody who sucks at eyeliner. Anyway, that's it for this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell to let you know when I post a new video, and we can hang out next time, alright? Bye.